Hey guys, what's up? It's TARAHGEE. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my eyelashes from my very own eyelash collection. It's called TARAHGEE FACE. I will leave a link to my website down below so you guys can check it out and purchase some of the lashes that I'm wearing or all of them. I do have two collections so far. One is the Core 4 collection, which is the original, like my baby, the heart of my business is what I started with. It is 4 beautiful eyelashes for every single type of person, and then I just launched my birthday collection on December 9th, which is 3 styles of eyelashes. They're like super glam, super dramatic, because when I think birthday, I just think of glam and drama. So yeah, I'll leave a link down to my website below, and let's just get started with this video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the easiest, most foolproof way to apply eyelashes. But first, I wanna show you all the tools that we're gonna need before we start. So it's not that many and it's not that many steps, I promise, but it's just gonna help for a smoother and easier application. So the first thing that you're gonna need is a pair of little scissors. I think these are like eyebrow scissors, I suppose. You can use little eyebrow scissors. You're gonna need these to cut the eyelash to your eye shape. My lashes are made a little bit longer so that they can fit a variety of eye shapes. So if you have like kind of a longer or larger eye, they'll still fit you. And if you have a smaller one, you just cut them to fit your lash line, your eye. The second thing you're gonna need is a pair of tweezers. This is just to help literally place the lash on top of your lash line. It helps to get the eyelash as close to your actual eyelashes as possible. Third thing that you're gonna need is some eyelash glue. I prefer Duo lash glue. I pretty much like all of the lash glues. My favorite is the dark tone ones though, because they dry black and it kind of makes it look like you have a little bit of eyeliner on, which helps to blend the lashes. And then the last two things you're gonna need are eyeliner and mascara. I only do a little bit of mascara, and I do this before I apply my eyelashes because you don't wanna get mascara on your actual lash. And then for the eyeliner, I just apply a small, like thin line just to help blend the base of the lash, because with the thicker lashes, the band is a little bit thicker. And so eyeliner just helps to kind of blend everything and make it look all seamless and nice. So let's jump into me showing you how to apply the lashes. So I'm going to start with my original collection, and I'm going to take the LUXE lash and show you guys how I apply those. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually put on a little bit of eyeliner. So now you're going to apply a really thin coat of mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the packaging. You want to be really careful removing it from the plastic, so I just kind of like pull them down until they come off of the base a little bit. And then what you're going to do is measure it to your eye. So I already pretty much know how much I need to cut off of mine, but just for the sake of showing you guys what to do, I'm going to pop it on. So that looks super crazy, obviously, but it's way, way, way too long for my eye shape. You guys can see it's like hanging off, which is not a look. So what I like to do is cut from the end of the eyelash. So whatever your outer corner is, I like to cut from that side, because then you don't lose as much of the drama in the inner corner. But if you guys can see, if you look closely, there's like a little tab at the front right there, and then a little tab at the back. So the first thing I do is cut those off. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off about this much. Okay, so you can see the whole entire lash is coated. The reason I like the dark tone adhesive is because it goes on gray, and then when it gets a little bit tacky, it turns like a bluish black color, and that's how you know it's time to apply it. So you never apply it straight after you put the glue on, because it's just gonna slide around your eye and be a mess. So I'm gonna wait for that to dry a little bit, and then I'm going to prep my other eye. I'm gonna take my lash tweezers, and I'm gonna grab the base of the middle, right there. So now I have control. Now I have control of the entire eyelash, okay? I'm gonna start by putting the middle on the middle of my eye. So what I'm gonna do is look down into a mirror. It's gonna help you get as close as you can. We're gonna look down into our mirror and then pop the middle on Once you have the middle on, now we can go ahead and secure the sides. So I'm going to start with one end. And then I'm going to secure the other end. So you're first going to secure the middle, and then you can attach the two corners. And then while that is still drying, you're going to take your tweezers and just clamp together your real eyelashes and your fake ones. Okay guys, so that was my foolproof way to apply eyelashes. I hope that those tips really helped you guys out. If it didn't, just go ahead and leave a comment down below, or you can @me on Instagram @TARAHGEEFACE, and I will be more than happy to walk you through how to do it. It's super easy, I'm telling you. As long as you measure it to your eye correctly and let the glue dry a little bit, you guys will be fine. I promise. I promise. And then the second time you put them on, it's going to be so much easier because you're already going to have a little bit of tackiness, and again, that eyelash is going to form to your eye shape. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.